Welcome students. Today we are going to solve 11th question from 2023 O-Level Mathematics paper. First let's carefully read it and understand the question. Okay. An incomplete Venn diagram providing information on the modes of transport used by 108 students to travel to school is given below. Then total they are given. What is the total? 108. Then it means universal set is 108. Okay. Each of these students use at least one of the three modes of transport. Transport modes are bus, car and train. Okay, let's read the question. Then they have given an information also. No students who travels by car travels by train. No students who travels by car travels by train. Okay, then they have given that is students who travel by train. So no students, it means this cannot be the one who travel by car. Then it should be this one, car. Then Q should be by bus. Okay, let's read the first question. Copy the above incomplete Venn diagram in your answer script and name the sets denoted by P and Q. First, you have to copy this Venn diagram in your answer sheet. Then you have to name P and Q. Okay, we have already found it. P is students who travel by car. Q is students who travel by bus. Okay. For this question, for identify these two modes of transportation, you have got 2 marks, one for each. 2 marks. Okay. Let's discuss second question. The number of students who travel by car. The number of students who travel by car or by train is 63. How many students travel by bus only? It means travel by car or travel by train. So the total is 63. Then you have to find this one, only by bus. How we can find it? It means the union of P and Q set is 63. Okay, to find P or train, car or train, means car or train is 63. Then you have to subtract it from the total number of students to find only bus. 108, 63, you will get 45. Then let's mark it here, 45. Okay, to get that answer you will get 2 marks for that. Okay, for third question, if the number of students who travel by car is 23, travel by car is 23. Let's mark it here. Find the number of students who travel by train. Then you are asked to find this region by train. Okay, now we have an idea because above question we have talked about the number of students who travel by car or train equal to 63. Now they have given who travel by car. The amount of it is 23. So we get 40 students. So 40 students travel by train. Okay, let's move to the next question. If the number of students who travel by bus or train is, if the number of students who travel by bus or train is 99, bus or train, they are talking about these two. Bus or train is 99. Find the number of students who travel only by car. Okay, they are asking this region. We have to find the value of this region. So they have given, we can subtract it from the total number of students. 108 minus 99, you will get 9 students. 9 students only use in car. 9 students. Okay, let's go to the next question. If the number of students who travel by bus and train is, now they are talking about intersection. If the number of students who travel by bus and train is twice the number that, twice the number that travel by bus and car. Okay, then it should be x, then this is 2x. Find the number of students who use exactly one of these 3 modes of transport. Okay, then they are asking only one mode. Then now we know 9 students only use car, 45 students only use bus. Then we have to find out how many students only use train as their transport mode. So okay, when you see here, you can find this one, the intersection of P and Q. You can find it 9 subtract from 23, you will get 14. So 2x mean 28. Now you can find this region. 40 minus 28, you will get 12. Okay, yes. For the last question, now we can see only 9 students using only car, 45 students using only bus, 12 students using only train. You will get the answer 66. Okay. Now see the marks. For third question you will get 2 marks for identify this and for the final mark. And the fourth question you will also get 2 marks. For the last question also you will get 2 marks. Okay, I hope you understood the question well, and if there is any question you can comment it down. So let's see in next video. Thank you.